So recently I have been experiencing a lot of vibration at highway speed, especially once I get going about 80 miles an hour. That's pretty much my top speed before I can't handle anything more than that. I've had my tires rebalanced, I've replaced the tie rod, drag link, and the track bars, and I'm still experiencing also some wandering on the road, so we're going to test out the ball joints today to see if that's the problem. So now what I did is I stuck a pole underneath the tire in the middle underneath, and I'm going to pull up and we'll see if there's any play. So after seeing and hearing the movement in the ball joint, I think it's safe to say I could use some heavy duty ball joints. I have been running these Milestar Patagonias for 10,000 miles now. They are 35-inch tires and my Jeep has 70,000 miles on it. I'm still running the stock ball joints, and I think that might be my problem. I thought it might be the tires at first. I had them rebalanced. Didn't help at all, so hopefully the ball joints will fix this issue.